Many clients have a lot of questions when choosing a brushless DC pump for the first time, or they have chosen a pump but it's not particularly compatible with their own equipment. How to choose a suitable brushless DC pump is recommended. You can pay attention to the following points. Firstly, to confirm the voltage and current, you can just select the same voltage as the power supply of the equipment. The mainstream brushless DC pumps are 12 volt and 24 volt. Of course, there will be 36 volt, 48 volt and other models. Secondly, to confirm the pumping medium. When choosing a pump, our clients should fully consider the medium of the pumping liquid. Whether there are any impurities, what's the viscosity of the liquid, whether it's corrosive or not, and what's the temperature of the liquid, including the environmental temperature and liquid temperature. It's recommended when you are choosing, you can consult the brushless DC pump manufacturer if there are any relevant cases. You can find a case which is close to your own equipment and then choose carefully after comparison. Thirdly, confirm the lifetime requirements of the pump and other technique requirements. When considering the lifetime of the pump, it's necessary to clarify whether the pump needs to work continuously or intermittently. The sales engineer will recommend it after calculation. And firstly, confirm the max water head and flow rate of the pump. The max water head of the pump usually refers to the object where the pump no longer flows when the water is pumped to a static head. If you want to pump to a certain head and at the same time maintain a certain flow rate, it's recommended to choose a pump with a higher water head. Fifthly, to confirm the size and the port of the brushless DC pump. Firstly, to confirm the size of the pump or the pump space reserved in the equipment. Then consider the inlet and outlet port should be serrated or a bubbled connector, and then to confirm the direction of the inlet and outlet, and the size of the pipe diameter. Sixthly, to confirm the functional requirements of the brushless DC pump, such as pressure control, flow control, PWM or FG speed control, and other customized requirements. Brushless DC pump is a core component of the equipment. For its long-term reliability, it's recommended that you refer to the above points. The brushless DC pump is composed of electronics, motor, and structure. It's particularly important to choose a professional manufacturer with R&D, production, quality control, and customized service capabilities. Top Floor has focused on miniature brushless DC pump for more than 16 years, has its own property rights factory, a national library which means CNAS certification standards, and a group of engineers with 20 years R&D experience. If you have any questions about choosing a brushless DC pump, you can leave a message below or contact us directly. Top Floor professional team of sales engineers can provide you with professional service. Welcome your call and email.